Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make 2D logo to 3D in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll choose Instagram post as my canvas. Okay, and now I will go to apps here, and here I will type in brand fetch. Okay, and I will use this. So I will click here. Twitter. Okay. So after clicking that, we will use the first logo here and we'll bring it in the canvas here and we'll make a duplicate out of it. Okay, and keep the main logo in the side because we'll use it later in the video. We don't require it now. Okay, so we'll choose this one and now we'll go to edit image. We'll use duotone. And we can use any one of that because we don't want these shades. So we are choosing peppermint for example. Okay, we'll go to highlights. We'll change the color to lighter blue because the main logo is in cerulean color to be precise. So we'll go here. We'll choose the bluish color and we'll select this one. As you can see, this is the main color here. And we will select the code here. We'll copy it and we'll go to the shadows and paste the same code here so that both the highlights and shadows are showing the same, and we'll keep the intensity as 1. We'll not change this one. Okay, now we'll click on apply. Okay, let's wait till the saving is done. So the saving is done here. We will now duplicate it. So for this one we will use the darker shade. So we'll go to edit image again. We'll go to duotone. We can use any one of them. So for this we are choosing pop here. And we'll go to highlights and we'll go to blue here. So we'll select this one, copy this code and we'll paste it here. Okay, so this one is done. Now let's move it here in the side and we'll bring back the main logo here and we'll go to layer and click on send backward and we'll click outside and then click the main picture here. We'll click twice with the arrow key to the left. 1, 2. So this is done. Now we'll click on right click and send it to backward. Okay, so the main logo is appeared here. Now we'll bring this dark blue color and paste it here. Okay, so this time we will select the dark blue and click with the arrow key twice to the upper side. Make sure you are doing it properly because without that this effect is not possible. Now we'll click on send to backward and we'll again move the main logo to the side because now we are not using it. So with the mouse we'll select both the layers and group it. So grouping is done. Okay, now let's click on Ctrl plus D with the keyboard and paste it here, and we will do with the arrow key now twice to the right and twice to the upper hand side. Okay, now we will duplicate it. We'll click on duplicate again and again so that it becomes duplicate and moves to the upper hand side. So the main thing here is we have to keep it in mind that when we are doing this, we will move to the right hand side first with the arrow key, then to the upper hand side, so that the effect is coming properly. Okay. So this one is done. Now we will bring the main logo. Click on right click, click on go to layer and bring to front. Okay. Now paste it here. Align it properly so that it looks proper here. And this is how the 2D logo is converted to 3D. Hope you like this tutorial and make sure you follow the channel for more new tutorials. Thank you.